Government through the Ministry of Transport has reiterated its commitment in easing communication and transport in the country and the larger East African region upon the completion of the line link at Longonot and the ongoing repairs. Our reporter Willie Dennis Njiru has filed the following from Naivasha.
People who state that they have.
Speaking during an inspection tour of the ongoing rehabilitation works and expansion of the meter gauge railway at Longonot in Naivasha, Transport CS James Macharia, who led a team of cabinet secretaries, expressed his satisfaction in the process.
We want to have an integrated development process where every part of the country is developed. All the way from Mombasa, you've seen the port of Mombasa. 6 years ago, we had only 20 million tons coming through the port of Mombasa. Now we have 34 million tons. And this demonstrates that we are growing as a nation. It demonstrates that we are supporting our neighboring countries, which are landlocked. And this is what you bring development, not just in our country, but the entire region.
Mambo haya ambao ya infrastructure inasaidia si mambo ya uchumi na biashara, lakini pia mambo ya utalii. Hayo ndio mambo ambayo tunaweza kuinua kama serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta.
Since December last year, operations at this inland container depot have been at a bare minimum following the ongoing construction works to connect the standard gauge to the meter gauge railway line.
Sometimes it's difficult for investors to take up and put their money in before they've seen the infrastructure. But as soon as you put the infrastructure, you actually see a lot of interest and development. So I am grateful that this is happening, and it's happening very, very fast.
A project that the contractor says will be submitted to the government 4 months ahead of the stipulated deadline of June this year.
Tumeridhika kwa kazi ambayo imefanyika hapa leo, kuangalia kuwa miradi haya yanaenda kwa kasi na pia yatafanyika kabla ya mwisho mwaka huu. Mwezi wa 9 itakuwa siku kubwa sana kwa sababu hiyo reli itafika Malaba na mwezi wa 3 mwaka ujao itafika Kisumu.
But even as we are planning that phase of the SGR moving from Naivasha up all the way to Kisumu, the MGR will start working this year. That is something to celebrate. Right. And it's going to really improve the interconnectivity of these counties all the way to Lake Victoria.
Railway transport is renowned for its efficiency in easing transportation and spurring trade, an opportunity the transport says must be realized.
If you are to use the truck to bring goods from Mombasa to Naivasha, where we are, it will take you maybe two or 3 days, those trucks. Then from here, after we have rehabilitated this line, it will possibly take about maybe 12 hours. So in total, the total calculation is about 20 hours between Mombasa and the border. If you compare that with a truck, it takes almost 5 days. And so already we have put mechanisms in place to make sure that it will be more competitive.
The meter gauge railway line between Nakuru and Kisumu counties has been undergoing rehabilitation lately, leading to demolitions of private structures that had been erected on the Kenya Railway land. Reporting for TV47 from Longonot in Nakuru County, I'm Willie Dennis Njiru.